Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to make our own crystal soap, which you can bring in the shower. And these are the materials we are going to make it with. And okay, let's get opening. Okay guys, we're going to open it, and let's go on the open the bottom. And look at all these materials we got. We got like these rubber things. There's some rubber. And we got this little square cube. And it's very bouncy. Let's leave that like that. And leave these like this. And now let's put this aside. I don't know what this is, but... And here we got these materials, toothpicks, there's some salt and stuff. And here we have this little cube, like they're icy cubes. And here we have a little paint brush, which my dad loves to paint. And let's put the brush aside. And now let's go on to this. And it's so big. It's like so huge, I couldn't even get it. And these are the colors: blue, yellow, and red. And here we have a big cup. And over here we have a little bit glitter, and over here we have, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's lipstick. They don't use lipstick for glue. I mean soap. Okay, let's get started. The soap already comes pre-made. I'm going to break the cubes out now. We are going to drop 6 of these in the beaker and microwave it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last but not least, 6. We are going to put this in the microwave for 20 seconds. So I'll be right back. We're mixing it very slow. We're mixing it very fast, and the cup is really hot. It's not that too hot. It's not hot as lava. I'm gonna take 1 scoop of maker powder. Don't worry, this is safe. It's not eyelashes. And let's put 1 scoop of mica powder into that bowl. Okay, gonna take this scoop and plop it in. And now put that aside. Let's put that aside. And now close this. Put it over here. And let's start mixing. It's like turning sparkly. So sparkly. Whoa, look, the stick's sparkly. It's so mixable. And you're mixing. So sparkly. I'm going to add 10 drops of smell And it smells like ocean. Okay, let's open it. It smells so good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to put it back. Now let's put that aside. Mixing. Turning glue. Like when we made slime together. Now we're going to mix it. First we're going to pour this into our crystal mold. Okay, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put time to pour. Pouring it inside. I'm going to put that aside. We're going to gently tap the bottom to remove the bubbles. Then we're going to set it for 5 minutes. See you in 5. I just got this out of the microwave. And now let's rip this open and add 2 drops of these. Okay, we're going to pick a color. We gotta open it now. I opened it, and now I'm gonna take the color I want out. I'm gonna take these out and going to pick a color. Now I'm gonna add blue, my dad's favorite color. Now I'm going to open it. And I'm gonna add 2 drops of this. 2. 1, 2. Okay, that is enough. Now we're gonna screw it back on. Now I'm gonna put these aside, and let's go ahead and mix it. Ooh, look at that blue. Look at all that blue coming up on the surface. Look, I'm gonna mix it. Mixy mix. Look, the stick is blue. I'm gonna mix it, and now I'm gonna turn it and mix it to show you. I'm gonna pour this. Whoa, it's blue. Let's keep pouring until it stops. Okay, it stopped. We're gonna set it aside for 1 hour. See you in 1. I've been sitting for an hour, and now let's see what this looks like. Let's peel. Ripped it open, and now we're gonna peel it and brush the sides with the paint. Whoa! Look, it's so big. It's so big. Now let's start brushing. We're gonna brush the flakes off. It's really hot. Look at my beautiful spider soap, and it smells so good. Guys, I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. that way. You'll see all of my future videos. Bye! Soapy day!